Hello, my name is Karl. I come from Estonia. During the pandemic, it was quite hard to do schoolwork because you couldn't really ask teachers the questions you needed, or you could ask the questions you needed, but the answers would come later, and that was quite difficult. But now I am able to use the computer a lot more. One thing I miss about school is that are the school activities. But otherwise, going outside and meeting people online is also pretty great.